mag-ano sa likod namin, sasaksakin na kami. Here, we're gonna pick them up. Let them go. Ganun, they wouldn't let us go.
Pero naka-record ka doon, nakalagay lang terminated.
Hindi na yung card ko iba na medical talaga nakalagay.
Ano daw? We're gonna go to the hospital.
Kung nakita niyo na to, alam niyo na yung...
Tsaka may nalika din ako dun sa account niya. Yung logo talaga. Yung actual account niya.
Kung ganyan mag-text mo.
Kahit naman kung
Kahit seryoso.
Ay, sa atin pala naka-face. Sabi ko, saan ba yun? Parang wala naman nakakita ng ganyan na itsura sa labas.
Lahat na tayo nito, sir. Say hi. Say hi. We're gonna go to Kaiser. Papacheck up si Erin kasi masakit yung throat niya.
I know.
And I will
So
get
we will go
vaccine shots
first to the
this
hospital for GI.
Ayun, we're ready.
I'll
It's the
update
outfit
you,
for the
okay?
day. Same as last night. Wow. Kasi tinatamad tayo mag-BS today.
First day back in LA, napunta sa urgent.
Oh, nag-urgent care first day back.
First day gone wrong.
Erin, patingin nga ng throat. Ay my God. So guys, binigyan tayo ng map sa park. Kailangan daw dito for my vaccine inquiries. Kasama ko si Ellie.
Yes!
Yawn. Maghanap kami ng doktor.
And I didn't know na, like, you know, baka may mag-ano sa likod namin, sasaksakin na kami, papatayin na kami. sabi ko, tapos na yung so-called fucking movie.
Was about Scientology?
Yeah, I was like, oh hell na, tapos pinapabili pa kami ng libro.
No, ayan na yung ano nila eh.
Oo, tapos sabi ng kapatid ko, bilhin na lang natin para makalabas tayo.
Oh my God.
Tapos, ang ginawa namin, tinawagan namin si tita. Or Tito George or someone, and then we were like, yeah, no, like, we don't need them to be there. Like, we're here, we're gonna pick them up. Let them go. Ganun, they wouldn't let us go.
Akala mo na-detain.
Oo, they wouldn't let us go. I was like, oh my God, love, never again.
Say yes to
yung
this.
kabaitan mo, you need to lower it kasi we don't say yes to everything.
Oo, kasi after you buy the book, they're kukulitin ka na eh. After they get your
exactly.
name and stuff.
Traumatized na talaga ako dyan, girl.
No, I was telling Nikki about Scientology and how it's a scam. Parang ano daw.
Ay. Kanina pa pala tinatawag. Wala.
Tinatawag
Sorry.
pala kami.
Nag-ano kami, nag-vlog kami, sorry.
Ano nangyari?
Sorry, wait lang.
Kinukwento niya yung Scientology mo.
Sorry, naano lang ako sa story ko. Sorry,
Ano nangyari?
Medical talaga nakalagay. Tara na.
Kinukwento ni Ellie sa akin yung si Erin na Scientology.
Tita, naalala mo nung na kami dyan? Yung anak mo
Napasok
kasi.
kami dyan.
My God! Sinasabi-sabi ko pa rin ba sa'yo yung mga ano ng Scientology? Nadali ka din.
Kasi nga, he just looked like a man that was giving out movie things. And walang pumapansin sa kanya. So
naawa ka.
sige, pansinin ko man lang. Tapos maya-maya sabi niya, come here, come with me. We're going to the movie. And I'm like, wait lang, what?
My God! Di ka pwede, B. Masyado kang mabait.
Marunong sila, tinitrain siguro yan mag-manipulate. Kasi he was trying to make me feel bad.
Naalis ka?
Yeah.
Buying the book by
What?
not staying.
Yeah.
Yikes! Pass. At least now we know.
Yeah.
We're still going to the treasure hunt place. So we'll message when you're there. I know.
I know, right? Ang layo pala neto.
It's mami ng mangga, oh. Magkano?
10.
$10 for 4. Ang laki na niya. Ay, mala. Taray.
500 pesos
Pwede na.
sa Pilipinas.
Sa tabi-tabi lang niya binili.
Ay, sandali. Ano yun? Persimmon ba yan? Oh my
Patay. Ayun na.
Persimmon?
Kanya din ba?
Orange. At attempt na naman si Mami bumili ng isa pang prutas.
Tyrese,
Ah.
alam mo ba, yung order ko sa Burger King dito, ganun pa rin. Yung
Ano?
may bacon tas
Ay,
barbecue.
oo. Barbecue bacon. Ano, masarap yun eh.
Ganun pa rin order ko dito.
Nag-LA ako parang hospital.
Hindi, sayang lang kasi anak, libre.
But hey guys, I got my vaccines already. I got 2, COVID and flu.
Bango ni bakla.
I know. Sinamahan nila ako sa, mom had to go for her work already.
I had class, but
Yeah, she
whatever.
had class. So, now what are we doing? What are we gonna do
We're
now?
gonna go to that truck right there.
Teppanyaki.
Oh yeah, there's a food truck,
there's
sushi
people,
teppanyaki. So, I wanna try it out. So yan, I'll update you when we're there. Hard-boiled, broiled. Oh, that looks good.
Rated number 1. Oh, you don't like that?
Oh, you don't? I like it. So we decided to drink coffee here or check. Check namin.
Kaya nga yung nasabi ko, diba?
Can you grab the
Oh,
and a straw? And then may straw na pala dito. Oh, and we got
boomerang.
this. We got this. It's a chicken wrap. Chicken salad
Ay,
wrap.
ang ganda.
And fruit.
Bakla, oh.
Bakla, ang ganda nga. Shit. Tara na, inuwi na natin. Oh my god, they have honey! What?
Ano kasi
Salt and pepper, of course. Oy, Joe, para sa'yo to.
Mag-guide ka naman niya.
Ay,
Around
hindi
20
kahit ikaw.
Around 20-ish minutes na walk.
Is that okay with you guys?
Pag kuya ko, tapos nag-aaya maglakad, oo ka. Pag ako
Akala ko
nag-aaya
okay.
maglakad, ayaw mo.
Kung mag-aaway kayo, sa harapan ng camera naman. Oh.
So, ano?
So, ito yung vanilla sweet cream.
Ay, vanilla sweet cream ka? Tapos pala na ganyan na lang din ako.
Magustuhan mo to?
Kasi matapang.
Yeah.
Ish. Parang nga siyang natubigan na yun. Pero, masarap naman.
Likod naman yung day ko naman.
Wanna try this one? Wanna try it?
Paano? Kumain kaya muna tayo before tayo maglakad kasi baka mahihimatay ako.
So, they got...
Oh my God,
what's this?
look. The stereo. Di ba, ito ibibigay sa akin.
Oh.
Tapos
Baliktad.
pag nag-ano
The
na,
stereotype. Stereo, sabi ko stereo. Di ba radyo yun?
What's your drinks?
So, I got an iced latte.
What the?
and I got a strawberry acai refresher with lemonade.
I should have gotten a refresher.
Ang
Kakaba.
haba.
Starbucks sponsor us.
Ayun yung thumbnail.
Hindi, first day
Oo nga
gone
ba yung
wrong tayo.
gone
Oo nga pala.
Sarap pa tayo ng Kaiser symbol. First time.
It's
Kamusta?
very lemonade. It's very good. I like it. I don't know if you would like it.
How's your latte? Ayaw nga may tables doon. Tayo sa kabila. Padala ng drink ko. I'll go.
That's the review.
Not
Dapat nag-silent review tayo.
Lagyan mo. So, tayo. Anyway, we're gonna sit down. Ba't nga ba kami na doon? Umupo na kami muna with our chicken salads and drinks. Stevia. Can I have honey?
Oh yeah. I got honey din kasi hindi ko matutunaw ba yung sugar?
Matutunan yung ito. This is fake sugar.
Oh, okay.
But honey,
Not so
baka matigas.
okay.
Patagalan. So this is the chicken salad ulit with the fruits. Try natin yung grapes. Ah, shit.
I like it.
We're now gonna try the chicken salad. Ang hirap kasi yung bago ng cam. Anyway, we're gonna try the chicken salad. Try na ba tayo or tig-isa tayong wrap?
Sige sa akin. Anas, di ko maubos.
But this is the chicken salad. Let's have a bite.
Hey. Good?
I'm gonna get salt and pepper. But it's good. Chicken salad. Can't go wrong with chicken salad, in my opinion.
It's much better now.
I'm gonna get salt and stuff.
So yun guys, medyo mababa nga. Kamusta naman kayo? Buhay Pinas. Ay, pukit mo! I saved your life, bre. Nahihiya na ako dali.
Bakit?
Kasi kausap ko siya. Tapos nalaglag siya. Sabi ko, I saved your life. Ayan.
Oh, nagaling. I love it. Anyway, so this is my drink. Lalagyan ko siya ng honey kasi nakukulangan ako sa sweetness.
Ako din.
Siya naman stevia.
Nice to din ah. Tapos 0 calorie na.
Yeah. I di ko kaya yung mga yan.
Bakit?
Because I know it's fake sugar.
Oh.
So I don't like the taste.
You can tell.
I can tell. Lang
Sorry naman.
Hindi naman.
Yung sweet enthusiast kasi namin.
Oo. I can't. I need my real sugar.
Malalabat na
But I love honey.
I didn't know ganun pala yung itsura niya na parang powder.
Madali din siya matunaw in drinks.
Yeah. I like her. I think I'm gonna get her a lot more often.
I've been addicted to honey since me and my girlfriend are into honey oat lattes. Kamusta?
Okay lang.
Need salt mo.
Siguro nga. Medyo. Ito
Iba,
nga, toyo eh.
iba lasa ng honey nila dito. Oh.
Hindi daw siya nagsisell.
Ha?
Kung magsisell daw siya, 30 minutes pa yung wait. Kasi pumunta daw siya ng night market. Doon daw
Putang
siya.
ina. Nagbenta ka pa.
Kaya nga.
Ano ba siya nandyan?
Pwede naman daw siya mag-sell, pero nga, yun nga, like, it's
Wait,
gonna be 30 minutes. I don't wanna wait that long. Which one is yours? Can I take a bite?
It's like,
It's fine.
it's like, bruh. It's like.
Let's see.
Parang siyang tuna.
Ano?
Hindi naman siya parang chicken. It's just me. If you gave this to me,
I would think
and
it's tuna.
yeah, I would think it's tuna.
Really?
Yeah.
Tuna is more fishy and more flaky. This one is so
now I'll taste it. The grilled part of the chicken.
salt.
Very healthy living kayo dyan, ha?
Ang taga ko, I need fiber in my life, guys.
Pero masarap na siya. Okay
I'm
lang siya.
bloating.
Oo. Pag gutom ka guys, lahat masarap eh. Salt and pepper y'all?
Patry nga. Masarap ba kung may salt and pepper?
Yeah. Yep. I didn't even want this. Not bad.
It's better.
Oh, I get what you mean. It does taste like tuna.
Diba?
Siguro at first, but then eventually,
I think it's tuna.
no, I can taste the grilledness.
It's the white tuna, like in water. Like
No.
Americanized.
I think I know it's chicken, but it just tastes like tuna.
Yeah,
Diba?
it kind of
Ang
feels
weird.
like tuna. Tuna?
Tuna?
Ayoko na. Kasi tinatamad na ako maglagay ng salt and pepper kada kagat.
So yun na to.
Okay na yun.
Busog namin. For now. Satiated, per se.
Ay, gago, ang dami.
Oh my God, love. Or are you like them na ang appetite, ang liit lang, sobrang liit, di na uubos ang food. Pero,
Madami ako.
madalas magutom.
I get hungry a lot. I'm trying to train myself to eat small but more frequent meals para hindi ako bloated.
I should do that too.
You
But I
can try.
can't.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Hindi naman bigla-bigla.
I think pag nagbe-breakfast ako, I get full for a longer period of time.
Kasi parang,
Kahit maliit lang.
kasi kung like let's say throughout the day ka, diba, kahit pa konti-konti tas throughout the day, the food that you ate earlier will go down.
Yeah.
You can go poo-poo and then have new, parang alam mo yan, parang hindi ka talaga bloated.
Oo. Lalo na kung araw-araw ka tumatayan, sarap. Alam mo ba dati
Yeah.
sobrang constipated nito?
I still am.
Yeah.
Patayin ko na, malulubat tayo guys. Next time na lang, masarap yung pagkain. Thank you po. So, hello, we are, saan na tayo galing? Naglakad kami to LACC. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. LACC. And then we're trying to find the Blink. This is, these are electrical cars you can rent. Sorry, basurahan yan. Gets nyo na yan. Electrical cars you can rent. Aaron uses it, so we're trying to find a way to use it papuntang grocery and stuff. Pero, di sila nag-a-appear sa app. So, we're currently trying to deal with that. But,
Gusto ko naman.
Actually, hindi nga sila naka-charge eh. Kami pa yung
Ano?
nagsaksak.
Ay, ang tapang.
Tarantado talaga mga gumagamit ng Blink, buti pa ako. Responsible user.
Oh. So Blink, if you're seeing this video, don't forget to sponsor us.
To LA.
Blue LA, please.
Yes.
So yun. We're trying
Ang layo ng nilakad, tapos wala.
I'm gonna refresh my device.
Ano na?
guys.
So hopefully we get it fixed para makaano kami. Oh my God, Subway. I used to love
Bigyan
Subway.
niyo ko ng
You love
bagya.
Subways?
So guys, nakapag-grocery na kami sa supermarket. I bought some meat, some dumplings, and milk lang. Because I don't need a lot. Malulupat na ako. But after this, we're gonna go back home. And I'm gonna rest and wait until I get to the lawyer ba. So, bumibili siya sa Shiseido right now. So, enjoy na niya yan. Bibili ata siya ng mga face mask.
Kamusta naman kayo? Buhay Pinas. Ay, pukit mo!